Here's Miss Ying or Miss Nightingale, Chapter 15. Para i-support niyo ang channel na ito, mag-subscribe at i-hit ang notification bell para updated kayo kung meron akong mga bagong uploads. This channel is all about girls love or Yuri Manhwa, and this is only a fun translation. There are grammatical and typographical errors. The translation is not accurate, so pagpasensyahan nyo na lang. Miss Director, I can't find my Shinkin. I haven't been able to contact him for 2 days. Is this true, Mr. Chin? What's going on? Aren't you the class teacher? You don't know when a student doesn't show up for class? Ma'am, please don't worry. We will handle it as soon as possible. If there's any situation, we will contact you as soon as possible. It's been more than a day. Why don't we just call the police? Let's just take it easy. Son Shinken was caught by us for sneaking out due to his love for fun before. It may just take a little longer this time. Don't worry, we will definitely find him. This man looks suspicious. Ang may tinatago ang lalaking ito. Hindi kaya siya ang suspect? The current situation can only be stabilized for now. Miss Nightingale, Chapter 15. Special Care. Oops, sorry. Nasagi na Zoyan ka na ng co-work. Zoyang, don't trust what you see too much for new victims. You must learn to abandon traditional thinking and see the essence through appearances. For new victims, did she know about the new murders? She must know something. Hello, I'd like to visit. Oh, it's you. I apologize for the visit from Miss Zoying due to some events that occurred earlier. The hospital has issued new regulations. All visits must first be approved by the attending physician. Attending physician? Where is she? Attending physician. I don't think I heard that she has an attending physician before. It's urgent and I'd like to talk to her in person. Come with me. Director, go. Someone wants to visit the patient in room 1106. Let her in. That's Yao Zico, the attending physician of Miss Zoying. You're Zoya? Sister Yaozi, it's you. What are you doing here? I just returned to China and I am now the head of psychiatry at Huanyang University Hospital. So naturally, I'm here. Zoyang, come sit. I didn't expect that the more she grows up, the more she looks like Zoying. Is she here to visit Zoying? After so many years, I didn't expect Zoyang to be more beautiful. Is there something I can do for you today? Miss Yaozi, I'm here to visit Zoying on business. Do you think you can accommodate me? That, let me tell you straight. Your mother's condition has been unstable recently. She's currently under special care. Visitation is generally not allowed. Special care? Miss Yaozi, I am really here on a very urgent matter. Please help me. But for your sake, I'll make an exception. But I do have a request. What request? As long as it's within a reasonable range, I can do it. Relax, it's just that, according to the rules, an attending physician must be present during visitation. That's, of course, it's for your own good. After all, your mother's condition has been unstable recently. Did they change the room? Yung kwarto ni Zoeng mukhang Bartolina. Pagkasilip ni Zoyang sa kanyang mother ay nakita niyang itinali nila ito. Mukhang sinidate. Binigyan ng pampatulog yata si Miss Zoyang. Thank you for watching. Abangan sa susunod na chapter.